What's up, fascinators? Welcome to another episode with me. Today I am here at Old De Hoop Dam at Steelpoort. We are gonna be fishing the FLW leg 7. It is 7 and 8. It's actually going to be a 2-day comp, yeah, it's going to be a fun little weekend out. It is Friday today, so we have arrived here at 12 o'clock. We're going to be going on the dam and just scouting a little bit and seeing what's happening out there, and yeah, and try and plan for tomorrow, day 1. So yeah, let's see if we can get some good fishing in for this weekend, and see what happens. Today is a bit of a pre-fish, so we're probably looking at a 3-day or 3-part video. So let's see if we can get some good footage and have a bit of fun. Say hello, Jean. Boat partner getting his ice. He's in a hurry because he wants to go and fish. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the water. At the lovely and beautiful De Hoop. John, we're gonna catch some fish. Pre-fishing. We're not gonna really fish too hectic. We're just gonna more do a bit of scouting, so that gives us a better opportunity for tomorrow. So let's see how it goes, guys. Enjoy. Junior frog on a Texas rig, and it's a top water bait, might say. What quite that. Jeez, look. Yo, they're nice and big, eh? Shit, why didn't we see it? Where's the nest? Somewhere it's over there. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. All that green. Ooh! That was a big fish, bro. There we go, guys. Oh, right in the deep stuff. Oh, yo, right in the deep stuff. Right in there. Love it. Frog.